in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your microphone input volume on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Start menu to open up the menu, and then type in Settings. Best result should select Settings here. You should select Settings. Go ahead and select that, of course, and then select System on the left panel. On the right side now, select Sound, and then you want to locate underneath Input your microphone device here. Go ahead and select it, and then you can adjust the input volume by dragging the scroll bar to left or right on your Lenovo device to hopefully change the microphone volume to your preferred level, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.